What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another AI video. Today we're diving into Artlist AI. It's an all-in-one creative platform packed with AI tools, stock music, special effects, templates, and a whole lot more. We're going to be going hands-on with three of their heavy hitters within the platform, including AI image generation, leveraging the Nano Banana model, VO3 cinema quality video gen, and studio quality AI voice cloning. And be sure to stick around to the very end of the video. I'm also going to give you a quick peek at Artlist's massive music, special effects, and footage library, all included under one license. All right, to get started, just head on over to artlist.io. Of course, the link is going to be in the description as always. Go ahead and sign up and sign in. We're going to be dropped right into the dashboard. From here, everything's available in one place. On the left-hand side, we've got our AI tools, we've got sound effects, music, templates, LUTs, tools, everything is here. Now we're going to jump straight into the first demo. So we're going to come on over to AI image and video on the left-hand side. Now, as mentioned, we're going to leverage the Nano Banana model. So let's come on over to image at the very top. Let's click right here. And we've got the Nano Banana model selected right here. And as described, this does offer incredible character consistency with precise prompt adherence, best for speed and accuracy. So for the first generation, this is what we're going to be focusing on. So this is the image I want to go ahead and upload. So here is my image. Of course, we have Patrick Bateman, very iconic scene sitting in his office, vibing to some music. So I'm just going to go ahead and drag our image right here. Let's drop it in. And here is my prompt. Let's go ahead and drop it in. Super simple. I want to swap the office out for the beach. That's it. Let's go ahead and click on generate. And Artlist is doing its thing. It is just about ready. All right, here we go. Here's our image. This is perfect. This did exactly what I asked to. I just wanted to keep Patrick, of course, in the exact same environment. I didn't want to change that. All I wanted to do was swap out the background for the beach, and this did exactly that. So if I'd like to, I can come over to the top and upscale the image, or I can animate this as well and turn it into a video format. Now we're going to jump straight into the next generation. So here is the next image that I want to go ahead and upload. So here it is. So this is a real photo of a city, and we're going to see what we can get up to with this one. So let's go ahead and drag our photo right in here, just like last time. All right, here is my prompt. I want to go ahead and change the weather to cloudy and rainy, and I want to remove the people from the bridge. Let's go ahead and click on generate. All right, here we go. Here is our image. And again, this follows the prompt exactly how I wanted it. It did a really good job removing the people off of the bridge, even all the way down. Then it went ahead and added a nice overcast, slightly raining kind of a day to the original image. So again, did a really good job with that. Now for this next one, we're going to jump straight into video generation. So all we got to do is come over to the top and click on the video icon right here. We're going to switch it over, and I'm going to click on image to video. I have a really good idea. So here's what I want to do. We're going to leverage the VO3 model, and we're going to take the image of Patrick Bateman on the beach, and we're going to use this as a reference image. So let's go ahead and drag our image right in here. All right, now when you do this, this is actually going to go ahead and suggest a prompt. It's going to leverage AI to analyze the photo, and it's going to create a prompt based on our model. But I'm going to come to the bottom and click right here because I want to go with the pro version here. I want to go with the VO3 model, of course. Let's go ahead and click this. But I'm actually going to go ahead and adjust this prompt a little bit because I want a different output based on what I'm kind of going for. So let's go ahead and copy this, and let's paste in my prompt. So here it is. I've got a wide cinematic shot of a man sitting at a desk on a serene tropical beach, wearing over-ear headphones, eyes closed, subtly nodding his head left and right as if enjoying silent music. Very slow camera pan backward, natural ambient audio only, soft waves and gentle breeze. And if we click right here, we can get VO3 to create audio as well that fits our clip. So we're going to go ahead and click that right here. Now keep in mind the VO3 Pro model is a very costly model here. So that is something to keep in mind, especially with the audio. So definitely don't hesitate to come on over here and choose a cheaper model. Of course, we have Light. This costs 500 credits at 1080p, and then we have the standard one as well. But I'm going to put this back on Pro VO3. So we've got the Pro model. It's going to be an 8-second clip. I've got 1080p, and there's going to be audio as well. Let's go ahead and click on animate. All right, so here is our VO3 creation. Again, this follows my prompt exactly. We have a subtle pan with the camera zooming back just a little bit as Patrick is enjoying his music from his MP3 player on the beach, which is extremely accurate to the scene in the movie, minus the beach, of course. But of course, this does a fantastic job with our direction, and the audio is very fitting for a nice white, calming, sandy beach. All right, but we are not stopping there. We're gonna jump into the next one. So here is an image of a Tokyo style back alley, and I have an idea for this one. So I just dragged and dropped my image right here. And just like last time, it is suggesting a prompt to consider, but I am just gonna delete this because I have a very specific vision with this reference image. So here we go. I'm going to drop it in right now. And to make a long prompt short, essentially what I want to do is I want to nicely pan through the back alley and just have everything remain consistent and just bring this little street to life. And again, we're going to keep VO3 selected. We've got 8 seconds, 1080p, and I'm going to click on audio as well. Let's go ahead and click on animate. All right, here is our back alley. And just like the image, there's a lot going on with the telephone poles. But again, this does a really good job just panning through the back alley and keeping the environment the exact same, but just bringing everything to life. For this last demo, we're going to jump into voice cloning. So let's come on over to AI voiceover in the far left. Now we could jump straight into creating some AI speech with text to voice and voice to voice, but I'm going to come on over to clone a voice right here. All right, I'm going to drag and drop an MP3 voice sample here, and I'm actually going to clone my very own voice. So I'm just going to drag this MP3 file here. It is just a 10 to 20 second voice clip that I created. I'm just going to drop in my name, and I'm just going to check off this box to agree to the terms, and let's go ahead and clone my voice. All right, my voice is ready, so let's click this right here. Looks like we can play a short sample. Tell your story exactly how you imagine it, with a voice that brings your ideas to life and captures every emotion. All right, so there we go. So right away, that is some very scary, accurate stuff. I've never cloned my voice before, but this sounds exactly like me. I'm going to click at the top here. We're going to click on select. Let's do this. And I'm going to just drop a quick sample right here. All right, let's go ahead and punch this in. All right, it's good to go. Let's click the play button right here. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another AI video. All right, there we go. That is sounding great. Now, if you've never cloned your voice before, I would definitely recommend giving it a shot. It is actually a lot of fun. Now, we have focused on a bunch of the AI tools within Artlist, but Artlist is much more than that. Inside the platform, you're also going to get access to curated music and sound effects from top artists, stock footage and video templates. So have a look at this. Just in the template section, we've got an AI promo intro. We've got comic spirit anime titles, cinematic retro transitions. We've got epic movie titles right here. There's even button essentials for those button overlays. Maybe you're doing something with your content or your videos. Artlist also offers plugins, LUTs, and editing tools as well. So for instance, if you click on tools right here, this is going to open up all the tool compatibility. So if you upgrade to the Max subscription, you're going to get plugins for color grading, visual effects, motion graphics, and a lot more with compatibility with Premiere Pro, After Effects, Final Cut Pro, and DaVinci Resolve. There's also a library extension and an AI assistant extension for Premiere Pro. And everything accessible within Artlist is under one universal license. So you're fully covered across YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, client work, or anything else you create. Now it is time for some pricing and final thoughts. For instance, the music and special effects plan starts at $9.99 per month. Then we've got AI Suite at $11.99 per month, which includes AI videos, AI images, and AI voiceover generation. We also have footage and templates. And then we've got Artlist Max as well, which includes everything, and it's going to be the best bang for your buck. And every plan includes unlimited downloads and full licensing coverage. So whether you're a filmmaker, YouTuber, or content creator, Artlist isn't just another AI tool. It's an entire creative ecosystem. And you can try Artlist AI today. By the way, if you go with any of the annual plans, that's going to net you an extra 2 months for free. Of course, the link is going to be in the description as always. Have fun and good luck with your creations.